The blue bar represents the percent of correctly completed reps out of the weekly goal. To get started, click on Create Regimen. On the left side of the screen, click on the body region that you would like to include in your regimen. On the right side of the screen, click on the exercise you would like to add and select the target number of repetitions for that exercise. You will now see this exercise listed in the regimen bar. To remove an exercise, click on the exercise in the regimen bar. Click Begin and select the duration of the regimen. In the game screen, follow the instructions on the top of the screen to set up the Fitmi pucks for this exercise. To your left, you will see two images demonstrating the exercise you are required to complete. To view how to properly complete each exercise, click on the Watch Video button on the right side of the screen. Take a moment to attempt the exercise until you feel comfortable with how to complete it. When you wish to begin the exercise, click on the Start button. Once the exercise begins, a sliding arrow will appear over the images on the left side of the screen. Complete the exercise by moving with the Fitmi pucks to match image that the arrow is pointing to. The arrow will snap over to the other image once you complete the exercise correctly. On the right side of the screen, you will see the number of repetitions needed to complete the current level. Below, you will also see a yellow bar slowly dropping. Each time you complete an exercise successfully, the bar will move up. The objective of each level is to complete the number of repetitions shown without letting the bar drop below the bomb line. You will see a pop-up after completing the level. Here, you may click on the Retry button to do this same exercise, or you may click on Next if you would like to continue to the next exercise. During the exercise selection screen, you may also click on the exercises at the bottom of the screen to jump to the desired exercise. You may click Exit anytime to finish your exercise session. After you have completed the custom regimen, the app will display the number of repetitions completed in your best attempt during the regimen for each exercise. It will also display the high score for each of the respective exercises. You will see a star next to the exercises that were successfully completed. If you would like to follow a campaign that gradually increases in difficulty, click on the Quick Play mode. In Quick Play mode, the object is to reach level 100 for each body part. There are 10 exercises for each body segment that gradually increase in difficulty from level 1 to level 10. Simply select the body part you would like your patient to work on and select the session duration to get started. In this mode, you will unlock additional exercises as you successfully complete the unlocked exercises. To track your progress, click on the rectangular Fitmi level container on the home page. Here, you can view your progress sorted by type of metric, body region, and timescale. The default setting for this screen displays the total number of repetitions achieved for the specific body part you've selected. Click the drop-down menus on the upper right-hand corner of the graph to modify the metric. Click on the Set Weekly Goal button to set the total number of repetitions you would like your patient to complete for the body part selected. You will then see an orange dotted line that shows the goal for the week. You may click on the trash icon to reset the current user's data at any time. Doing this will erase all workout history. We encourage you to read through the user's guide for additional information. If you